Character AI has been making waves as a roleplay chatbot, but is it really worth your time? Today, we're diving into what this platform offers, who it's for, and whether it lives up to the hype. Character AI is designed to let users engage in conversations with AI characters, making it a unique tool for roleplay enthusiasts and anyone looking for creative interaction. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to create and customize characters with distinct personalities and backstories. You can chat with these characters in real time, which can spark creativity or just provide a fun escape from reality. However, while the concept is intriguing, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the extent of character customization isn't fully detailed, leaving potential users wondering how deep they can go with their creations. Also, it's not entirely clear how the AI adapts over time based on interactions, which could impact long-term engagement. Overall, the platform feels accessible, but it may need more transparency around its features to truly attract a wider audience. On the plus side, Character AI offers a fresh take on chatbots, making it a great option for those who enjoy storytelling and character-driven interactions. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to jump right in. However, there are some notable downsides. The lack of detailed information on character customization can be frustrating, and some users might find the AI's responses a bit limited after a while. Additionally, there's a question of trust. With AI chatbots, concerns about data privacy and security often arise. If you're wary of sharing personal information, you might want to think twice. This platform could be fantastic for creative individuals or gamers, but those looking for more serious or sophisticated interactions might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Character AI is an interesting platform for anyone into roleplay or creative writing, but it's not without its flaws. If you're curious and enjoy playful interactions, it's worth a try. However, if you're seeking deeper, more meaningful conversations, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a mixed bag, but definitely intriguing.